We are going to make a banana peel fertilizer today for your bamboo plants. This fertilizer is rich in potassium, which will help your bamboos grow faster and stronger. Now let's see how to make it. Take 3 banana peels. With the help of a scissor, chop up the peels to about 1 inch in size, like you can see in this video. Now we need a medium sized jar. Put these chopped banana peels in the jar, all of them, and add water to the jar. Cover the banana peels with water. I am adding about 2 liters of water in the jar. You should allow the jar to sit in a moderately sunny spot for approximately 24 hours. Next day, you will notice it will change its color something like brownish pink as the nutrients leak out. Separate the peels from the jar. Now our banana peel tea fertilizer is ready to use. Now separate your bamboo plants from the vase. Add 1 teaspoon of liquid fertilizer to your vase. You can use this fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks. You can also use this liquid fertilizer to your bamboo plants in soil too. Also, water your other house plants with this water. They will love it. A very important tip I want to share with you is do not ever mist or spray this liquid on the leaves. It will attract gnats and fleas and other insects to your plants. So be careful about this. The plant needs anywhere between 24 to 36 hours to absorb the nutrients added to the growing medium. After that, make sure you change the water. Hope you like the information. Subscribe for more houseplants videos.